Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix Instagram keeps top editor iOS. If you have been at the receiving end of such a similar issue yourself, you have come to the right place. We will share some troubleshooting methods that you can try to fix Instagram app problem on your iPhone. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If you are a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. First, turn off your phone internet connection. Now turn on the internet connection. Then turn on airplane mode. Then turn off airplane mode. Click App Store. Click Search, then type Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Launch the setting app on your iPhone. Click General. Click iPhone Storage. Click Instagram app. Click Offload app. Then click Offload app. Click Reinstall app. If you are a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us.